I'm Khalid. I'm from Dubai and I work for the Dubai government. I have been planning to do a hair transplant maybe for the past 3-4 months. I've been checking out all the hair transplant clinics. And the reason I chose Regrow from Haridwar is because of the results. I've been looking for normal people doing surgeries and getting amazing results. When I came over here, I met many patients who were coming over for PRP for the reviewing of the hair transplant and everything. So I spoke to a few of them and I could not see even a single person who was not satisfied with the results. So that's what I liked about the clinic first time. Then I was so anxious when I came here for the procedure. And the moment I met Ankur Singhal, he did actually put me at ease. He explained me the whole process and he told me there is no need to worry about it. And I was always in control of whatever I want to get the results. And he made me choose the kind of hairline I need, what kind of results I can expect. And the whole staff, including the doctors, the staffs and everyone were much more explanatory. And they were very efficient when it came to, facing my concerns and explaining it. And also putting me at ease. Whenever I had anxiety or something, they made sure that, with a smiling face, they said, nothing gonna be wrong, everything gonna be fine. And the kind of professionalism I saw from all the doctors and the staffs over here was outstanding, really good. And they did not seem like, just marketing out their own stuff and making themselves look good. It was not all like that. I felt being at home. They were warm, they were very caring, and they were empathetic throughout the whole process. So I'm done with the procedure now, and I believe I could not, I didn't have any kind of pain or anything that was uncomfortable. The whole procedure was really good, and they did it in a very good manner, within limited kind of space. And from my experience, from the procedure and the doctors and staff, I would definitely recommend the clinic for anyone, even if it's people coming from my place, Dubai, if you're coming from maybe outside India. Always look for the results. Don't go for the kind of advertisement that you might see. You might actually fall for a trap or something. So, like I did, go for the results. Try to talk to the patients who actually had the procedure before you. And if you're satisfied, then go for the clinic. And I would suggest Regrow in that regard. If you're looking for results and not for the the glam, then definitely you should choose Select. So I am thankful and grateful to the doctor over here, Mr. Singhal, and his staffs who were very generous and very kind to me, empathetic. I thank them all from my behalf and also from people who are actually seeing results as a result of their amazing work of art. Thank you.